All right, guys, what's going on? So check out this situation out of Washington State, specifically from a place called Moses Lake. This is actually a pretty tragic situation, if you ask me. You guys might think it's crazy, but actually I think it's pretty tragic, and I'm going to let you know why. So in this video that you're about to see, you will see a veteran in court, and he is defending, I should say, a criminal case, and he's in court, and he gets very irate. He's very upset about the situation, but evidently this has been something that has been going on. This criminal case that he has had against him has been going on for roughly 3 years, or at least that's what he says in the video. So as you can see, he's very irate about the whole situation, and when the judge comes out, when the judge, rings in for the day, takes the bench, one of the things that he says straight up from the get-go is that he will hold this defendant in criminal contempt if he gets unruly inside of the courtroom. Well, the judge ultimately determined that this defendant did become unruly, and you will see this defendant, this veteran, ultimately go to jail on criminal contempt. And it's a pretty sad situation. You guys, again, anyone can draw their own opinions of it, and all are welcome. But when you take into consideration that this is somebody who is a veteran, who says that they have not even received their charging documents or their police report as it relates to the criminal case in which they are a defendant in, and it's been going on for 3 years. Again, there's some context missing here, and I won't pretend that I know everything about the case, but this video is a big question here, right? And I don't think that this cycle should be continuously repeating itself, which it seems like what is happening here, that this defendant keeps being brought back into court, and this is not his first time going to jail over being held in contempt over disruptive and unruly behavior inside of a courtroom. Now, obviously the charges cannot be all that monumental, because he would be held in prison, or in jail, I should say, without bond if he had charges that were so severe. But this is just a issue that seemingly he cannot get resolved, and when you cannot do that, obviously that leads to frustration, and you see situations like this happen from time to time, regardless of who it is, whether the person is elderly, whether the person doesn't understand the rules of procedure inside of a court, whatever the issue might be. You see this from time to time, and there should be things put in place to prevent things like this from happening. And if it takes videos like these getting out there, then maybe that's what it is. But again, it's a sad situation, I think, because yet again, and I've said this already, it's a veteran, it's somebody who's served, and yet this is somebody who's going to jail, not because of a particular crime that he's been found guilty of, but that he is so upset in his mind that he sort of lashes out that anger inside of that courtroom, and he's unnecessarily going to jail over things like these. And obviously there must be order inside the court, right? But it really raises a question. This whole situation really raises a question. So with that, guys, check out this 11-12 minute video I put together of clips that I found on this particular individual's channel. I don't know if it's his channel or if it's somebody who's just taking these videos and putting them online. I couldn't tell you, but check out this situation and let me know what you guys think of it.
Turn your phone off because they put a sign on the courtroom to tell you to turn your phone off.
Look at this phone, that sign right here.
Except your attorneys will come in here and flip open a laptop. You see what's going on in this country right now? It's called communism, people. I'm a veteran. I'm a veteran that fought for this country, for a constitution that matters to me. I took an oath when I was 17 years old to defend the Constitution of the United States, and they've never relieved me of that oath. I continue to hold strong to those morals, ethics, and values that this country's founded on. And all of those are your rights, goddammit. And if you all sit and let them take your rights, God, and it's happening. You guys are going through a period of communism right now. I am not disrupting. Nobody said I was disrupting except you. You need to calm down. You need to calm down. You came up on me. I'm minding my own business. I'm sitting down here sitting in an authoritative fashion, commanding me. Yeah? I'm waiting for the judge because I was ordered to be here today. You weren't here then, were you? When I was ordered to be here? Then I got no more use for you. I'll talk to the judge, just like it says on my paperwork, pal. Have a nice day.
Grab him by the neck, man.
Yeah, grab him
You
by the neck and throw
badass.
him down, throw
Grab
him
him by the
in
neck. You ain't got no business here. Why don't you go?
The police know more about my case than I do. What's going on with that?
Yes.
You an interpreter, Officer Gregg?
Mercadal.
Officer Gregg. Officer Gregg. You're the interpreter? Because you're talking to her about my case right now. You don't know what I'm talking about? Everybody just witnessed it. What are you talking to the prosecutor about? That's your conversation and I'm not involved, so don't worry about my case either. I got a case here today, and I was ordered by that judge to be here, and the attorneys at the office told me 9 o'clock, so they're not here.
I knew you were coming last week.
Right. Yeah, you know why I'm coming this week, right?
Tapia.
Why?
For a case of
Amanda?
USHS, trespassing.
What?
Yeah.
How do you know that?
Because I know.
Because you know more than me? I don't even know why I'm here today, and you know?
I just told
You got a police report on that? Because I've been trying to get it from these clowns for 3.5 years. So what the f are you waiting on, lady? Hey, watch your mouth, son. Watch your mouth, boy. What are you waiting on? 3.5 years is a long time for your office to produce a police report.
3.5 years.
3.5 years I've been waiting for a police report from your Moses Lake Police Department. Who's your chief? You gonna issue a warrant for my arrest if I leave right now?
That's not our job.
Right, it's not your job, it's their job. But guess what? I was ordered to be here. And now I'm
Olivia
fucking here.
Buenrostro?
Last time this happened, I was ordered to be here. I
Adriana
showed up here.
Cuevas?
They arrested me when I went to the clerk's
Adriana
office.
Rodriguez,
You see, are you in charge of him? Which one of you guys has rank?
David Thorin.
He's the more authoritative officer, but you're calmer and you're willing to listen to what fucking happened last
Luis
time I went to
Picasso
jail.
Morel.
Remember when you guys beat me up and took me to... No, because you weren't fucking there. Your partner was, the guy that's in charge of the Grant County Courthouse.
I was there, Lyle.
You were there, you arrested me and threw me in the fucking jail too? Why? For showing up to court right here, and there's a witness right there. Right there with the hat on, pal. That guy's a witness to what your mistakes you guys made, so I'll stay right here and I'll talk to a fucking judge. And I ain't gonna be bullied by you guys either. Standing there with guns and vests and handcuffs and pepper spray and all kinds of fucking tools to beat people's ass.
All right.
Go to see
District
that.
Court, County of Grant, State of Washington is now in session. The Honorable Judge Brian B. Barlow presiding.
Please be seated.
You might not know, Judge, but I'm here as you ordered me to be.
I will call the case.
I know you're going to call the case.
The case is State versus Lyle Floyd, G2005661CC. And Mr. Floyd, I'm going to give you a few orders here. One of my duties is to preserve the authority and dignity of the court and to ensure the fair and orderly administration of justice.
It's also to provide justice, help administrate this justice, and this isn't justice after 3.5 years, Barlow. You stole my money, I'm pissed
You are
about it.
now under order of the court to remain calm, to be courteous and respectful to everyone in the courtroom, and to speak only when authorized by the court. You are also ordered to
I follow
refrain
the
from
First
yelling,
Amendment.
cursing, interrupting the judge or attorneys, and engaging in any threatening, disruptive, disorderly, or disrespectful behavior. If you fail to do this,
First Amendment, sir.
then you will be found in contempt of court and ordered to serve up to 30 days of jail and a $500 fine. All right, so Mr. Prince has been reassigned as the attorney.
Which one of you clowns is Prince?
Me, sir.
That's you?
Oh, God.
You're my attorney now from Idaho.
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, like I said, I bet you I can guess which one of you So I didn't hire this guy, you're appointing him? I haven't seen any paperwork on any kind of appointment.
There's been a reassignment apparently, according to our records.
Apparently, you don't know for sure? So you're not even up to speed on this crap, are you?
All right, Mr. Floyd.
How am I supposed to be up to speed if, man, you called me here?
I'll give you an opportunity to get with your attorney and to talk to your attorney about the case. You have a right to a trial before June as you sign the waiver of speedy trial.
You know what, you forced me to sign a waiver of speedy trial because you threw me in a cage, bro. Your counterpart, Melissa Charleston, made a grave mistake when they threw me in a cage and left me there for 11 days. Did you know that? They were leaving me there for 11 days with a $5,000 bail that I'm expecting back today because I'm here.
Mr. Floyd, you are not complying with the order.
What order? You didn't hand me any paperwork. I haven't seen no order, Your Honor. Your Honor, I'm giving you respect right now that you haven't earned. Your Honor.
I just read the order to you.
I didn't hear, Jack, could you show me something in writing for once? For once in this whole goddamn 3.5 years, your court needs to start producing something in paper. Because I have nothing except bail receipts. Bail receipts. He might have something, but I've not seen anything. That's a problem for you.
You have disobeyed the court's order, and I find you in contempt.
So he can throw me in jail now, right?
I'll give you an opportunity to speak in mitigation now. If you would like to apologize to the court for your behavior.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, that I was in contempt. I apologize and I'll bow down and try not to do it anymore. But you must understand, Your Honor, that I am very frustrated. Please, Your Honor, don't throw me in a cage anymore. Please don't throw me in a cage. I beg you, don't throw me in a cage. Is that enough begging and honorable apology?
Mr. Floyd, the record speaks for itself. That is a mocking behavior, so
You're mocking? You've been throwing me in jail for 3.5 years.
3.5 years.
You've been disrespecting me.
You are ordered to serve 30 days of jail for contempt of court, and there will be no fine. You'll be taken into custody immediately to serve the same.
Good Christ, you guys gonna beat my ass and throw me in jail now? Just drag me away.
All right.
You know, I'll keep my phone. I'll keep my phone. I'll keep my phone. I'll keep my phone.
You guys walk up there.
Relax, relax. Yeah, relax. And my attorney sits there and does nothing. Does nothing. Yeah, that's what attorneys do now. And you guys see how these courts behave.
Hey, get up and work.
This is all gonna happen to you guys too. When you guys do nothing.
Freedom of speech.
When you guys do nothing about this right here, this will all happen to you too. This is how they've been treating me for 3.5 years. I show up to court, they get unruly as I do, they give no paperwork. Oh yeah, double lock them and tie them on as tight as you can.
You cops are
Good job,
cocksuckers.
boys. That's great cuffing procedures, boys.
You want me to grab your paperwork? You want this paperwork?
You gonna leave it there?
I'm asking you want me to take it.
I don't give a what you do, Greg, you know that? You gotta do your job and I gotta do mine. Mine's to stand up for other people's rights. That's for me to stand up for other people's rights. If you don't give them to him, who the is gonna drive the truck, dumb? Yeah, just start pushing and dragging me around now. I ain't even resisting. Yes, I can exit. If you quit pulling me that way, you're telling me he's turning me that way, jerking me around, and you're telling me to exit the courtroom. You guys are something else. Yeah, don't look at him.
Sir, I need you to back up for my...
I'm backed up. You go to.
He's backed up plenty fine.
Why don't you jump on me?
back up.
I'm backed up.
Okay.
What you want? Get away from me.
You back up off of him, mother. You back up off him, you punk. You get away from him, you son of a
Smith.
You leave that guy alone, you punk.
Smith. Yes.
Leave him the alone,
Stupid
Smith. Fucking punk.
Smith. You fat. There's more of them. There's more of them. Bunch of fat.
You guys guys already pushed him down and beat him up once, you f***ing punks. A f***ing old man and you clowns pushed him down. You remember that, Smith? Oh, he wasn't? Yeah, I don't have as short a memory as all you motherfuckers. You know what, I don't care at this.
Slow him down. Tase him. Tase him. Get the taser out. Everybody tase at once. Pieces of shit. Tase him.
I don't know if it's better or not because I can't move my arms, bro. You're telling me to relax and this guy's holding me. I can't relax while you're being held. Let me hold you. Let me hold you and then tell you to relax. Okay? Now, let go. Put me in the car and let go of me. Put me in the car and let go of me and drive me to the jail. Hurry the up and drive me to the jail, though. I don't like being held on.
What you want, you queer?
To relax.
Go to You want to talk to me? Go to Hey, did you not need to be polite? I don't expect nothing from you but fucking beat down. Go to hell, shut up and don't talk to me. I'm fucking in the law. There's another piece of shit.
Here, I'm gonna hold
What you here for? What you here for? Fucking bring on the pain? What you looking at? Excuse me. Man, you guys are fucking asking for it.
Oh yeah, 17 more, you dumb motherfucker.
2294, code 735 at the courthouse.
Tell Troy to bring $500 and bail me out of here.
Yeah. We'll get on it, bro.